Don't overcomplicate TypeScript. I've heard from many people who avoid TypeScript that it slows you down, it's complicated, or they heard about a company that recently dropped TypeScript. While I do get those points, as someone who avoided TypeScript for a while after searching the web and finding complex tutorials that teach you how to write complicated generic functions, making TypeScript looks like a bother. I'm here to say that I was wrong. TypeScript is not something that you learn. It's something that you just start using and get better with it with time. It's just like Git. It is something that you learn by doing. And yes, the start is always hard. We all remember the first time we just removed all of our codebase using Git, just to discover that something like reflog exists. My point is, just start using TypeScript. You don't have to do all those generic type gymnastics and spend hours on types. Start small, even just by adding a primitive type to a function input. Using it, you can avoid type errors. Your goal with TypeScript is to write the least amount of types, just so they will help you avoid bugs in production. And for those of you who come from statically typed languages, did you know that TypeScript adds autocomplete? Yes, that's awesome. And it's one of the main reasons I love TypeScript. Why it does all those things everyone talks about, like helping you avoid bugs in production. For me, it just enhances my development experience. Alright, I hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more guides related to web development, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!